Welcome to Mindmap Maker, a free mind map designing web app. How to create a new mind map. Launch the Mindmap Maker web app. Let's create a new mind map. Double-click inside the root node to change the text. You can also press F2 to edit a node. To add child node, point the mouse to a node, then drag the red circle. You can also add a child node using Nodes menu. Select a node, then click Child from Nodes menu. To add a sibling node, select a node, then click Sibling from Nodes menu. To navigate around the mind map, click at an empty space and then drag the mouse. To reposition a node, point the mouse to a node, then drag the node to a convenient position. To delete a node, select a node, then click Node from Nodes menu. You can also press Delete or Backspace key to remove a node. To undo an action, click Undo from Edit menu. To redo an action, click Redo from Edit menu. To copy-paste a node and its children, select a node and then click Copy from Edit menu. Then select another node where you want to copy and then click Paste from Edit menu. To cut and paste a node and its children, select a node and then click Cut from Edit menu. Then select another node where you want to copy and then click Paste from Edit menu. This is a shortcut to change the parent node of a child node. Working with Inspector panel. To hide border of a node, select a node and then click Hide Border from the Inspector panel. To show the hidden border, select a node and then click Show Border from the Inspector panel. To change the border style, select a node and choose appropriate option from the Style drop-down menu. You can choose border styles like solid, dashed, dotted and so on. To change the border color or border background color, choose appropriate option from the Inspector panel. To change font face, font size, font style, or font color, choose appropriate option from the Inspector panel. To change branch line width or branch color, choose appropriate option from the Inspector panel. To connect two non-related nodes, select a node. Then click Connect in the Inspector panel. Then click another node where you want to make a connection. To change the properties of a connection, select either of the connected nodes. Then click Connect on the Inspector panel and then click the connected node. You will see additional options coming up in Inspector panel. To change color of the connected line, choose appropriate option from the Inspector panel. To change the connected line style or arrow style, choose appropriate option from the Inspector panel. To remove the connection, click Remove in the Inspector panel. To attach text, audio or video to a node, select a node. Then click on Attachment in the Inspector panel. Inside the attachment window, to add any text, type it. When you click the Close button of attachment window, it is automatically saved. Now, you will see that the attachment icon of the node has been changed to blue color. It indicates there is an attachment associated with that node. Clicking on the icon will not do anything. To see the attachment content, click on the attachment button inside the inspector panel. To add image to the attachment, click on the image icon. Click Choose File and then select any picture from your computer. You can also give the URL of any image from the internet. Let's try adding a YouTube video to the attachment. Go to YouTube and then copy the URL of the video you want to attach. Click the Embed Media icon and give the URL of the video you saved in the previous step. Now, you can see the video attached. Let's add an image to a node. First, download any image from Google to your computer. To add an image to a node, select that node. Then click Add Change Image in the Inspector panel. Now, click inside the rectangle. Then choose the image you previously saved or any other image. To change the alignment of the image, click Add Change Image in the Inspector panel. Then change the value in Alignment drop-down menu. Click Save. To change the width and height of the image, click Add Change Image in the Inspector panel. Then change the values in Size text box. Click Save. To change the image of a node, click Add Change Image in the Inspector panel. Click inside the rectangle. Choose New Image. Click Save. To remove an image from the node, click Add Change Image in the Inspector panel. Click Remove. To add useful website links or URLs to a node, select that node. Then click Edit URLs from the Inspector panel. To add a link, simply enter or paste the URL, then press Enter or click Add. Once a URL is added, you will see that the URL icon of the node has been changed to blue color. It indicates there is URLs added to that node. Clicking on the icon will not do anything. To see the URLs, click on the Edit URLs button inside the Inspector panel. To visit a saved URL, click on that link. To remove a link, click Delete beside that link. You will see Inherit buttons beside many buttons in the Inspector panel. It is used to apply that property to all subnodes of that node. For example, you can change the font face of a node and then apply it to all subnodes using the Inherit button. This is a time-saving feature. Use the Navigator panel to move around the mind map. Drag the red rectangle inside Navigator panel to move around. This is useful for very large mind maps. Click on Zoom in and Zoom out buttons to zoom in and out respectively. To add hand-drawn drawing to a node, select that node. Then click Drawing button located at the bottom right location of the screen. Use mouse to draw. To save drawing and exit, click the Drawing button again. Once a drawing image is added, you will see that the drawing icon of the node has been changed to blue color. It indicates there is a drawing attached to that node. Clicking on the icon will not do anything. To see and edit the drawing, click on the Drawing button. To remove drawing attached to a node, click on the Delete icon inside the drawing window. Save and export your mind maps in cloud storage and local computer. With Mindmap Maker, you can store your mind maps in our public server, Google Drive, local storage in your browser and to a file. Each option has its own advantages and disadvantages. To save a mind map in our public server, click Save As from Document menu. Then click Save button beneath Mindmap Server. To open the saved mind map, click Open from Document menu. Your file will be listed under Saved Mind Maps. Click it to open it. To share your mind map to Facebook, Twitter or Google+, click Share from Document menu. You will also get the map URL to share it. You can also share the mind map using the floating buttons found on the left sidebar. To save a mind map in Google Drive, click Save As from Document menu. Then click Save button beneath Google Drive. You need to authorize Mindmaps app to use your Google account to save and open files. To open the saved mind map from Google Drive, click Open from Document menu. Then click Open beneath Google Drive. Choose your file from the displayed window. To share your mind map via Google Drive, click Share via Drive button. Then share your map with your friends. To save a mind map in local storage, click Save As from Document menu. Then click Save button beneath Local Storage. It also has the ability to save the map automatically every minute. To open the saved mind map from local storage, click Open from Document menu. Then click your map name from the list beneath Local Storage. To save a mind map as a file in your computer, click Save As from Document menu. Then click Save button beneath To File. To open the saved mind map file from your computer, click Open from Document menu. Then click Choose File beneath From File option. To export your mind map as an image, click Export as Image from Document menu. To download the map, right-click the image and select Save Image As. To see various keyboard shortcuts used in the app, click Key Shortcuts located on the bottom left of the screen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and share this video.